Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a Starcoin. This video is how to mine Starcoin. Do you understand? So I'm going to leave my referral link under the comment section of this video. So once you register and get the app downloaded, you're going to get 50 Starcoin. And I guess 50 Starcoin is worth $50. I think guys, after actually seen people being serious with this project. I saw it last week, but I did not take it serious. But you can see the demand now. So guys, I will leave my referral link under the comment section of this video. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to, once you click on the link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video now, it's going to bring you to this interface. This interface that is going to bring you out is going to ask you to register with your email. Like, just click your mail. If you have multiple mail on your phone, like, just select the one you usually use for airdrop. Just click on your email, then automatically it will bring you to this phase. Like, or you can actually click register, you will get registered immediately. Then it's going to bring out this interface now. So this is where to copy your referral link. If you click on this, but I want to get this app downloaded so that I can start mining. Guys, you need to take, if you missed cake call, don't miss this. So I'm going to click. If you look here, it says app download, get 50 free. So I'm going to click on this app now. I'm going to click there to download this app. So the app is downloading. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. If this is your first time of seeing my video, here in this channel we talk about how to make money online, free money through cryptocurrency, guys, airdrop and all that. So I'm going to click, I say file downloaded, open. I'm going to open and install. So you also do the same. So I'm actually installing the app so that I can benefit more. Do you understand? So I'm going to leave my referral link under the comment section of this video. I'm going to click open. Do you understand? So this is what the app looks like. You say welcome Starcoin. You know that when you register there, if you click your mail, you do not input password. You understand? So you have to sign in with Google. Yeah, just click here. Do you understand? So that we can get our accounts back. So guys, once you click sign in with Google, then endeavor to click that very email that you used to register. Do you understand? Just click on that email so that you get 50 USDT. You can see that, guys. This is a very nice project. If you missed cake or don't miss this, you can actually see that 50 star coin is worth 50 USDT, guys. Come on, don't sleep on this update, guys. If this is your first time of seeing my video, guys, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified. So I'm going to leave my referral link under the comment section of this video. So once you register with my referral link now, you're going to get 50 USDT, guys. So once you click register, you register with your mail. Just listen attentively. Once you click on the link I'm going to drop under the comment section of this video, you click on the mail. Do you understand? Once you click on the mail, it's going to direct you to their site. Then you click login with mail. Yeah, you click login with email. Once you click the link I'm going to drop, it's going to bring you to their site. Then you click login, sign in with Google mail. Then you will register as app. I think that way it will be easier for you. Then you click on download app as I did. Do you understand? Then once you click on the download app, you install this app. It's an APK. Yes, you can. I don't think you can see this on Play Store. So it's an APK. You get it downloaded so that you get 50 USDT. Look at the 50 USDT, guys. Now I have to click start. I'll click on run this now so that I will start mining. Do you understand? So I'll click on that so that I'll start earning. Set current computing power, guys. You can see that. So it's in progress. You can see that I'm mining now. So I'm mining. So this is where to copy your referral link. You can see here now at the left hand side. So I'm going to click on it. So this is my referral link, my referral code. Yeah, this is my referral code. Okay, I don't think. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard. So I think this share button is where I'm going to get my referral link. Let me just click on it. See, first come first serve. Get $10, 10 million worth. Or get 10 million worth of Starcoin token for free. This is the way to copy your link. Do you see that? You can see that you refer your friends. See, I've copied my referral link, guys. So I'm going to leave it under the comment section of this video. Do you understand? So that will be all for now. Please give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from it. So that will be all for now. If you look up, you see announcements. So I think they have something in store for us. Do you understand? So that will be all for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon.